in the middle?
Yeah.
No, Leia's in the
No. Yeah. Owen's trying to get over the back now.
Leia's the one that always looks like a baby. Theo, stop biting her toes.
Is it bad that I can't tell which one's mine?
Theo. Looking.
Like they're already at this stage, they've been flying for like 2 minutes. And then he's like,
Kisses. Sibling.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah, she did. Come back! Theo's gone too. Theo's learned some tricks from Roku.
Yeah, I thought they were flying for like 5 minutes straight.
excited or
Like a human.
that's really very cute.
No, no.
Marcus, off of the side. So you can pay attention
In
to
a
my
little.
dog. I took Sarah to the market today and everyone was like, is that a macaw?
I don't think I could do more than like one bird.
I think you look great with 2 macaws and 2 Alexes.
I don't think so.
Bye. This is terrible.
When will we get one? About a year. He's doing good for his first time socialising with birds.
Yeah.
He's stuck his whole head.
Leia?
Well, he was raised with Amazon and 4 Alex.
Oh, they're low.
Minnie.
Ickies. Ickies. Oh, that's cute.
Ooh. Look, he doesn't even
I
know.
won't bring Sarah for a vacation.
Don't.